Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on first option App Management. After click on App Management, scroll down, and click on Camera app. After click on Camera app, you will see if you want to fix this problem. So click on Force Stop. After click on Force Stop, click on Force Stop. After click on Force Stop, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on Camera app. After click on camera, click three line icon and click on settings. Now in camera settings, scroll down to and click on this last option. You will see restore default setting. After click on restore, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera not focusing on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.